Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Facebook ads on Google, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Facebook ads on Google, begin by logging into your Facebook Ads Manager. Next, create your ad campaign as you normally would. Set your campaign objective according to your marketing goals. Choose your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behavior. Define your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Now, design your ad using compelling visuals and engaging copy. Save your changes and proceed to the ad set level. At this point, you will need to select placements. Choose Manual Placement to specifically target Google. In the placement options, select Facebook and Google Display Network. Continue to the review stage to check your ad settings. Once you confirm that everything looks good, click the Publish button. Your campaign will now be submitted for review by Facebook. After approval, your ads will start running on Google as specified. Keep an eye on your campaign performance through Facebook Ads Manager. Make any necessary adjustments based on the data you gather. Optimize your ads continuously for better results and engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.